Hi everyone, I'm Hassan Shah, and welcome to my channel, your go-to space for motivation and crypto trading insights. Today, I'm excited to share a powerful message that can transform the way you approach both life and the dynamic world of crypto trading. Every great journey begins with a single step. In life and trading, challenges are inevitable, but it's your mindset that sets you apart. Remember, every setback is an opportunity in disguise. When the market dips or you face obstacles, think of them as stepping stones that build your resilience and sharpen your skills. Keep a journal, celebrate small victories, and use every experience to fuel your determination. Your passion and persistence will eventually lead you to success. Crypto trading isn't just about numbers and charts, it's about strategy, timing, and self-discipline. Before making any trade, always do your research. Look for reliable trends, understand market sentiment, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Develop a plan that includes clear entry and exit points. In our volatile market, a disciplined approach can make the difference between profit and loss. Remember, the crypto market rewards those who are patient and prepared. The connection between motivation and crypto trading is simple. Both require a steadfast belief in your vision and the courage to take calculated risks. Stay updated with market trends, but also invest time in personal growth. Embrace learning, read, watch, and engage with the community. When you combine a motivated mindset with informed trading strategies, you unlock your potential to not only succeed in trading, but also to inspire others. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with fellow traders and dreamers. Remember, every day is a new opportunity to grow, trade smart, and achieve your dreams. Stay motivated, and see you in the next video.